Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're doing a spooky girl glam video. So if you want to see the products that I use and see how I use them to create this everyday spooky glam, then just keep watching this video. So for like a spooky glam, I'm obviously going to go for like bold brows. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl brow pomade. Mine is in soft brown. Then I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and we'll get ready for eyeshadow. Okay, so before I apply eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Even though the last time I used this, it turned very orange. Okay, so I know so far I haven't had any high-end products. They're coming, I promise. So today we're going to be taking the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Palette. Now this isn't the newest one. This one is from 2 years ago, I think 2020. But it looks like the newest one is very similar, except it doesn't really have like these purples. It has like a little bit more neutral colors rather than purples. But I'm not going to be taking the purples. I'm going to be taking like this little square right here of like warm berry tones. So I am actually going to take this shade. This is a la mode. It's just like a light pink. And just blend it through the crease. Okay, then I want to take You Spicy, which is kind of like a hot pink. And I think I'm actually going to mix it in with Ginger Spice, which is the slightly more orange one next to it. And I'm going to blend that in with a la mode. Then taking Warm and Cozy, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. It's sort of like the outer half, I think. I think I'm going to go in pretty far with this one. We're going like very berry tone today. That's kind of my plan, is to go sort of like warm berry colors. Then taking Cocoa Drizzle, which is like this brown, and I'm going to put that on the very outer corner. I'm hoping it's, yeah, like dark enough to deepen up this outer corner here. Then taking a la mode again, and I'm just going to try and blend in Warm and Cozy. Then I'm going to take some micellar water and I'm going to cut the crease. I never usually cut the crease high enough, so that time I went a little high, but it's fine. And then I'm going to put my cut crease canvas over that. Okay, I like the color of that, but I think I am going to take whipped cream, which is like the white-ish cream color, and I'm just gonna pack that on over this to kind of set it. Yeah, because it's not really gonna change the color much. It's basically my skin color. Now I'm going to take You Spicy and Ginger Spice mixed together again, and I'm gonna use those colors to blend in that cut crease. Then I'm going to take a la mode again on the same brush and blend those colors into the cut crease. Then going back into whipped cream with the other side of my brush and just making sure I blend everything all together. Taking more micellar water, and then I'm just going to clean up the edge here. Now I'm going to go try and do that on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, my eyes are done and my skin is prepped. I just used moisturizer and primer. Now for foundation, we're going with the Rare Beauty foundation. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Rare Beauty concealer because this one's fairly light. Like, I actually think I got it in too light of a shade. But I want that contrast with my bronzer later. So no cream products today. I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set my face. Okay, so I will be bringing my face back to life. I know I'm looking a little ghostly. For bronzer, I'm taking the NARS Laguna bronzer. A little goes a very long way, in case you couldn't tell. Then for blush, we're taking the Pat McGrath Divine Blush in Paradise Venus. Still smells kind of like cinnamon spit, but that's okay. I do really love this blush, even though when I first got it, I thought it was going to be just way too dark for me. It's still very dark, but I do like to use it for more like warm looks. Then for highlighter, I'm taking the Jaclyn Cosmetics Reflective Light Putty Highlighter in Iced. This is just so reflective and beautiful. Now for setting spray, I'm taking the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Then for eyeliner, I'm going to be taking the Glamnetic Liquid Eyeliner. I want to give this a try. If you guys saw my Glamnetic testing video, you would have saw that this was like a little, it's still a little bent. Like the brush itself is a little messed up, but I've cleaned it up and I'm going to give it a go. See what I'm working with here? I probably just need to try and clip that one side off. Okay, yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna go grab the felt tip liner. Okay, but like, I need you guys to see this because like, it says shake well before use. I am shaking it and shaking it. I can't get any pigment to come out, and I haven't used this that many times. Like, I can just hear it scraping my skin. Okay, I just got so frustrated that I forgot to film my mascara. It really doesn't matter that much because I am going to be putting on lashes. But my liner looks awful. It's cracked, it's dry, it looks terrible. I'm very disappointed because that is my first time using Glamnetic liquid liner and my maybe 4th or 5th time using the felt tip liner. I've got it sitting upside down right now, hoping that that does something, but I've really been enjoying the Glamnetic lashes, so we're just gonna continue on and pretend like that didn't happen. I'm taking the Glamnetic lashes in Luxe. Now we've got a nice secure lash after all that mess. Okay, my lashes are on. They look so cute. We're gonna pretend like the eyeliner situation didn't happen and we're gonna move on. What I want to do is I want to do like a black little spider web and then like a white little spider web to make this like very simple spooky glam. Okay, that's kind of cute. Now I'm gonna try to do white and we'll see if that works out. It's kind of cute though, right? Also, I think I already forgot to mention, I'm using my Glisten Cosmetics split liner in Coke Float, and you can use code Emma10 to save 10% off your purchase at Glisten Cosmetics. Last thing we had to do is lipstick, and then our simple high-end spooky glam makeup, whatever the heck I'm titling this video, will be done. So for lipstick, I'm going to be taking the NYX lip liner in Blackberry because it's the only black lip liner I have, and then the KVD Vegan Beauty liquid lipstick in Witches. I'm so excited to be wearing black lipstick again, you guys don't even know. Oh yes. I feel like with this color we've got a bit of like Wednesday Addams inspo happening. So here's your like everyday spooky glam. So that is my like high-end spooky glam makeup. I don't know. Whatever this is called. This was my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just like something you could wear sort of casually, like semi-casual spooky glam. Like this doesn't have to be for Halloween, but this could be if you're like a spooky girl and you want some like extra spook throughout like October. Please let me know if you want me to do like an affordable spooky glam because I could definitely do that too. Something for every day, but that's maybe a little bit more affordable. This was basically all high-end products. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see an affordable version, not the same makeup, but different spooky makeup, more affordable, then just please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, like, if you would wear this throughout October. I'm gonna enjoy wearing this today. Also, if you guys stayed to the end of this video, these little pumpkins back here, I made those. These are my little pumpkins. I built this. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. And I got knobs. So, like, this is not the knob that came with it. I put this knob on here. And, like, I decorated this. And there's my plants that are doing, like, semi-okay. But I'll link this little table and the knobs that I bought because I thought it was a pretty good deal. Like, I got a big set of them. They're everything. I'm gonna get off the internet now. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! That was such a stretch.